Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up or install local n8n. n8n is a AI automation platform. You can create workflow with this application. To install local n8n in your machine, need Windows machine or any Linux machine. If you want to install the local n8n in your Windows machine, you need to install Docker first. Here in this video, we are going to install n8n in Windows by using Windows Subsystem Linux WSL. Here you can see this is my Windows machine. Okay, and now first I have spin up a WSL Windows Subsystem Linux in my Windows machine. It is very simple to set up first WSL. Okay, first we have to start button, click on start and then click write CMD and open the command prompt. If you install the WSL, just install WSL -- install. I have already installed WSL Windows Subsystem Linux in Windows machine. I have already installed it. It is already installed, already exists. To open the WSL machine, just write WSL, hit enter. Okay, and you can see the WSL -- list -- verbose. The list of WSL machines you can see by this command. I have installed Ubuntu in Windows machine. Okay, first to install n8n you need a machine, that may be Windows machine or Linux machine. Here in my case it is my Windows machine, but in Windows I have installed WSL. To install the WSL, just write in CMD from WSL -- install and you can see the Ubuntu is installed already. Okay, to spin up the Ubuntu machine, just write, you can write the here, you can also this is my Ubuntu WSL. Okay, wait a little bit. This is the Ubuntu machine. You can see uname -- -a. This is the Linux Ubuntu machine. Okay, clear. Okay, to install the n8n, this is the n8n GitHub page. n8n GitHub. This is the n8n. You can here you can also see the n8n, or you can click here. Here you can see this is the n8n GitHub pages. You can see to install the n8n on your local machine, just use either you can npx or docker way. To install the n8n on my WSL Windows Subsystem Linux, first you have to require install Docker on your machine. I have already installed Docker my machine. You can see check to install Docker or not. First is the docker Docker -version. You can see Docker is installed on my machine. To install the n8n, I have already installed Docker. To install the n8n, first you have to create this file for volume, and then this command. Two command is sufficient to install the n8n on your machine. This is the n8n official GitHub pages. Okay, okay. I have created a command. I have displayed. This is the command to install the n8n on your local machine, on your laptop or PC. First, just create a volume. First, create a volume. Copy. I put the link in the description. Just copy and go to the WSL and right click. Just first create this. This is very important to create a volume for n8n and hit enter. Okay, this is created. Then go to the second command. This is the second command to create n8n in your machine. Copy and then click on paste. Here you can see this is very important. Docker run -d. D means detachment. This is the name of the container, and this is the port, and this is the volume. This is the your host volume, and this is the container. This part is very important here, because if your n8n container is restarted or recreated, your workflow will be saved in this volume n8n underscore. Okay, that's why this is the best way. And then click on hit enter. It will find the image n8n Docker image, pull the Docker image from the this, and it is pulling the n8n Docker image. You can see this is the pulling Docker image on your machine. Wait a little bit. First create a volume, this is, and then this command. Okay, the comment link will be, I will put the link in the description. This is the command. Okay, and this is extracting. Wait a little bit. Then you can access the n8n by using this localhost 5678. This is the to access the n8n on your local machine. Copy link, just open it. It is extracting. Wait a little bit. You can see the n8n website, n8n cloud. If you create an n8n account in this here, you can create that also. And this is the free. This is the community edition. Wait a little bit. And you can see the n8n workflow. Several workflows is here. This is the n8n website. Okay, this is the AI automation workflow. You can create a IT ops, SecOps, DevOps, sales. There are several automation. You can create a automation by using this app n8n. Okay, and if you go to the, this is what this is extracting. Wait a little bit. If you want to install the Docker on your WSL, just use this link. Here you can open it. Open link in a new tab. This command helps you to install Docker on your WSL. So just first use this command, copy and paste. Then use this command, and then you can post installation. Then use this command and this command only, and then this, then system. And after check this command, Docker version. I have already installed Docker -- version. This shows the Docker is installed on my machine. Okay, in this way you can install Docker on your WSL machine. Okay, you can follow this link also. This is, I have put the link in this here. Okay, to recap, to install the n8n on your local laptop or PC, you need any machine, Windows machine or Linux or any machine. Here in my case, it is a Windows machine. Okay, in Windows machine you can use WSL. I have already installed the WSL in my machine. To install the WSL, just write WSL -- install. After installing the WSL, just open the WSL. I have already opened it, WSL. For first, you have to install the Docker on your WSL. To install the Docker, just follow this link. Okay. After installing the Docker on your WSL on your Ubuntu machine, first create a volume and then run this command. Okay. This is very important. -d, it is detached mode, name of the container, and this is the port, and this is the volume mount. This is very important because whenever your container restarted or stopped, it will save your workflow in this location. Okay, that's why this command is very important. Okay, and it is created. Your Docker n8n Docker is installed successfully. You can check the Docker PS. You can see the Docker is running in this machine. Okay, You can see Docker PS. This here it shows container ID. This is running container. To access the n8n on your machine, just use this command. You go to the browser and here you can write localhost 5678. Here you can see this is the command. Copy link here, Control V and hit enter. Wait a little bit. I have already, this is the first sign up and then you can use this. I have already used this, that's why it shows the sign in position. First you have to sign up your email ID, name, first name, last name and password. After creating the, after sign up the n8n, then use this email ID and password and click on sign in. Okay. Okay. This is the n8n local installation. Here you can create a new workflow, create workflow, and here you can create workflow for your purpose. Just say for example chat trigger first. Okay, then click on here, then AI agent, okay, then you can choose any chat model, any model you can choose, local model or your any model you can use, memory purpose, and any tool you can use. In this way you can create a workflow on n8n. Okay, this is the way to install local. If you, this is the your workflow and shape. Okay, this is the workflow, name of the workflow is test, you can change it, test automation auto, and this is the workflow, sample workflow. Say for example, in this way you can create a workflow by installing n8n on your local machine, on your local PC, and you can sign out, just sign out. Okay, in this way you can install n8n on your local PC. If you, this is the container Docker PS. If your container n8n container is restarted, your workflow will saved in this here. That's why it is the best way to install. Use this command. Okay, use this command. Okay. If this video is helpful, please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.